Hey, I'm actually in the middle of a meeting, as you can see. It's a marketing meeting, so it's really boring. Not to say anything against marketing, it's just I find marketing meetings extremely boring. But this internal marketing team, whew, they're talking about some stuff that it's dragging on. And I just wanted to showcase a cool thing that I think not known enough at Zoom. It's the annotation feature. I'm going to actually click on it right now. I have the annotation bar on the left side of the screen. You can see it right here. And the coolest thing I think in annotations is the vanishing pen. I use this one all the time. So if I go up here to draw and then I go to or the second pen in, it's called vanishing pen. And basically what it is it's exactly what you might think. It draws a picture and then just magically goes away. So you don't have to keep that on the screen all the time. It'll just disappear. Let's watch this. This is Maggie right here. Let's just circle her face. Look at that. It just disappears. We can draw some hair on Ted over here. He's a little lacking here. I'll give him some hair for a second. We can draw some mustache on my boss here. There we go. It looks better already. The vanishing pen is something I use all the time. It's a really simple thing to be more engaged with your meeting. So I'm going to get back to the meeting, but I just wanted to show you that cool feature while my boss drones on and on. All right, I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd.